so today we're going to be talking about a Birchbox unboxing. We're going to be unboxing the month of April. If you guys did not see last month's unboxing, it was my first unboxing and I will have it linked down below, but we're going to go ahead and get jumping right into it. This is for the month of April, so if you guys want to see what's inside this month's box, then just keep watching. So here is the festive box. As you guys can see, very spring appropriate, and I did read a bunch of you guys' comments, and so thank you for the tip. A bunch of you guys said that you guys actually use the box to store like sheet masks or skincare stuff. So this box is actually going to be storing my sheet masks because I thought that was such a great idea. So thank you for that tip. So let's go ahead and open it up. We have the card, and on the back side of the card, it's just going to list everything that is inside the box and what it fully retails for. This is the one thing I will say I love when subscription services actually do this, because for me, I like knowing what the item actually retails for in case I love the product and I want to get the full-size product. So I really appreciate when they do this, actually. So the very first thing I see in here, you guys, I'm so excited because it's right there in front of my face. It's the biggest thing. And this here is the Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. Basically, it's like a super awesome scrub. I know I've received this in my Ipsy unboxings, and if you guys follow me when I do those, then you guys definitely know this is probably my favorite exfoliating cleanser, excuse me. My favorite exfoliating cleanser ever. I don't know what it is about this product, but this thing is ridiculously awesome. Like any sort of dry patches you have on your face, it will just kind of wipe it right away. I like to keep this in my shower usually, and once a week I'll kind of go in and I'll kind of scrub it really well. I'm super excited. This alone just makes the box totally worth it. The very next thing I see in here is by Marcel. This here is the Marcel BB Cream in Golden Glow, and this is formulated for all skin types, and it is a skin enhancer, and it is perfume free and hypoallergenic. Oh wow, this is like my actual skin color. That's impressive. Look at that. Wow, look at that, folks. So here is without, and then this is with, just kind of a little bit more glowy. This one's a little bit more dull. So far so good, because I know last month I was kind of like, I don't know about this, but let's move into the very next thing. What is this? It's a baby. What is this? This here is, oh, I've seen this packaging. This is by Jane Iredale. I have used her products before. This here is the Just Kissed Lip and Cheek Stain in Forever Pink, and it retails for $25 full size. I was gonna say, it's $25 for this little thing is a little much, but oh my gosh. The color of this reminds me of like something you would get in like a Child's Play toy makeup kit. You know what I'm talking about? Like those plastic ones. Okay. Oh, it smells incredible though. I see the light pink tint. Let me see if I can show. So as you guys can see, it's like slightly tinted. I don't think that this would actually work on my lip because my lip color is pretty dark, or my cheeks as like a cheek or a lip stain, but I could definitely see myself giving this maybe to my daughter because she's kind of one of those girls where she's only 8 years old, but she still thinks that makeup doesn't really have to go in just one spot. Like lipstick is not necessarily just lipstick. It can be anything, you know? It can be eyeshadow. It can be, you know, who knows? She can make it happen. So this might be something I might gift to her because I think she could actually use it, and I don't have to worry about running out of the house and seeing like red lipstick just all over her face. And I think if you were a lighter skin tone, I definitely think this would work for you. Maybe, you know, if I had to use it, it would just be something as like lip balm just to give myself like a sheen, but next thing I have here is the Dr. Lip Miracle Balm, and this here is formulated for dry skin, and it's supposed to give you luscious lips and glossy bits. That is so cute. I'm not going to open this just because I have so many lip balms, but I have like a bunch in next to my bed. I have a bunch in my bathroom and a bunch down here. So yeah, but it's cool. And then the very last thing I have in here is this little green tube, and this here is by Butinique Beauty, and this is a Fill and Tame Brow Gel in the shade of Burnett. So, oh wow. It looks a little bit warmer on the camera, but I will say that it is pretty cool tone. I could see myself using this though. Yeah, I definitely would use this. Not that I could tell a huge difference right now, but I'm going to say that this month's bag way outdid itself compared to last month. If you guys saw last month's, I was like, really, like, come on. But this month's box, I will say, I would definitely pay $10 as a sample box just because of this cream cleanser right here that I'm absolutely obsessed with. But some of the other products I'm actually interested to try. The BB cream particularly, because I've never had one match my skin tone, so I'm gonna try it out, I think. If you guys want to know all about Birchbox and, you know, all that good stuff, I'm gonna have it linked down below. Before you guys head out, please make sure to subscribe. You guys can also hit that little notification bell. If you click on that, it'll just tell you when I upload. I do reviews, hauls, tutorials, all that stuff on here. It's in here. So make sure to subscribe before you guys head out. I love you guys, and if you guys are a subscriber already, thank you so much for your love and support, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.